Hi, wanna know how to clean your CMF by Nothing But Pro second? So firstly, let's talk about what not to do to not accidentally damage your earbuds. First thing is that these earbuds are not waterproof, so you never can put them in a liquid or just drip the liquid on them. Second thing is never use sharp objects to not accidentally damage your earbuds. And that's it. So today I'll be using this alcohol wipe to clean my earbuds and also the case. But if you are using also an alcohol wipe, make sure it's not too wet and the alcohol is not dripping from the wipe. As you can see, mine is kind of wet, but it's not too wet, which is safe for the earbuds. So first thing that we can do is to take out our earbuds and remove the ear tips. Because the ear tips are fully removable, we can put them in a liquid, for example, wash them under a hot water with some soap, but before you will put them back on, make sure that they are completely dry. So let's put them on a side and talk about the earbuds and the case. So while we will be cleaning both of these, make sure to not touch any inputs, for example, like this charging input or these contacts, which are responsible for charging your earbuds in the case. So the safe areas are these two holes for the earbuds, and also we do not touch these contacts on the earbuds. So we can go slowly around them, but never touch them with any wet wipes. So let's start the process. As a first thing, we can close the case and just wipe it around. We can also go on this smart dial because it's not any contact or input, so we can just clean it all around, and we will go slowly around the input but never inside. As a next step, we can open the case and really carefully clean around these contacts. So let's do it like this. But we can go inside these holes because no contacts are located inside them. Now we can also take care of the upper part of the case because sometimes it also can get dirty. And this is it. Now our case is perfectly clean. Let's move on to the earbuds. So as I said before, we cannot touch these two contacts which are responsible for the charging process of your earbuds, and also we do not touch this black part which is the speaker by itself, because if any liquid gets in there, it can get easily damaged. So let's make our wipe a little bit smaller and just slowly go around all of these dangerous parts. And now we will go just slowly around the speaker, but never inside. Just like this. And this is it. First earbud is done. Let's also do the same thing on the second one. And this is it. We have really safely and carefully cleaned both of the earbuds and the case. And now we can put back on the ear tips, but also make sure that they are completely dry after you have washed them. And this is it. The cleaning process is completely done. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.